Friends! A big problem struck the village today. The farmer's house collapsed and he was extremely worried. The rain was coming soon and he had no idea what to do. But Tex, the bull, and Molly, the donkey, decided to help him. Tex, the bull, went deep into the forest to bring back strong wooden logs. He was exhausted, but he didn't give up. Molly, the donkey, gathered bricks, mud, and other materials and started working quickly. Both of them worked tirelessly, day and night. Finally, when the farmer's new house was ready, he was overjoyed. Now he took even better care of Tex and Molly. The two friends were happy but also a little sad because no one had liked the video or subscribed to the channel yet.